Okay, so today we are at the Shell station located on Bayfield Street in Barrie with a touchless wash. So let's see what system it is. So we have a little bit of a lineup, but that's okay. Looks like a tunnel wash to me. Looks like we have to enter the code or swipe your card inside. There's someone in there right now. You can see. And I think I hear Mark 7 dryers. So I think that's a Mark 7 SoftLine tunnel. So you can see there's a little bit of a line up here. So anyways, I'm going to start up again as soon as I get on the track. So with the make sure I'm straight. He's not even to the code machine yet. So wait for the door to open, line up with a rail, proceed on to code on the keypad, and then I will use this ultimate wash card. And yes, this is a Mark 7 system, you can see. So this is a Mark 7 SoftLine Dymac tunnel. It's honestly been a while since I filmed that different one. The only one I have filmed is the one in Sharon. Oh, someone's backing out. What's going on here? That was interesting. Anyways, I think the truck is just about to push us in. About to push him in, I should say. A different setup in the other ones I've been through lately. What is he doing? I think, let me go. He's entering his code again. What is he doing? That's a good question. So anyways, I'm going to need to wait for a while. Here's the instructions if you want to read it. So, I'll start it up again as soon as we get on the track. Okay, I know. So right now this guy's going into the wash right now. So, anyways, I gotta wait for the sign to say go. Oh, I can go. Okay, so I'm going, I think I'm going right to the guy's going. I think I'm going to start heading in since there's someone behind me. Watch the mirror, too. Don't steer out in the wash. There we go. Am I on the track? I don't think so. I think I'm backing up. I missed a track. I know, watch where I'm gonna back up a little bit. I'm still living. There we go. Yeah, let's turn to the left a little bit. There we go. Really hard to get on the track on these things. There we go, we're on the track. Going very slowly. There we go. Okay, watch this. Okay, so the code has been accepted, so I can leave it. It's really misty. Here's what this watch looks like. There we go. Here's a code machine. There we go. I'm going in. we go, we're out of a tunnel, it's pushing me out. And I will drive fair behind this woman with a vacuum saw. And I will get out to see how the cars did.
Okay.
So right here will be good. I'm literally in neutral right now and it just pushed me out, so that's a first. Anyways, let's take a look and see how the wash did. So, here's the tire, too, as always. Jumping around the back, that's a little bit of soap. Looks like. Try things around on the side, too. And on the hoop. But rather than that, almost has done a decent job. So, I definitely highly recommend this wash here in Barrie. So, dryers didn't do really well, but rather than that, this wash has done a decent job. And that was probably the slowest Mark 7 SoftLine tunnel I ever been through. So yeah, I highly recommend this wash. So anyways, I think that will be it for me at the Shell station in Barrie. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.